Hey everyone, how you all are? I hope you all are doing great and staying at home and enjoying just because outside is a very critical situation and but all of these things don't make yourself so much in tension or depressed because feeling calm and having a peaceful mind is the only thing we can do now and hope for the best. So yeah, and enjoy the life as well because I heard somewhere that life is an ice cream. Taste it or otherwise it melt. So enjoy your life at home only and stay safe. Yeah, so today I just bought a new topic for my video, that is the production management. A brief description of the production management. And earlier also have made so much videos on different topics, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to press the subscribe button so you can get the latest update of my videos, as I frequently upload different videos on a different topics. And if you want any of your topic to be discussed over here, then you are most welcome to discuss with me and I will share your topic over here. So yeah, let's get started with the today's session. Today's video is all about the production. So first of all, I just tell you that what is the production. Actually, production is just the creation of goods and services. Production management or operation management, actually production management, there is no hardly difference between the production management and operation management. It's just a difference about the evolution of the history, that's it. So production management or operation management are the activities actually that transfer the resources into goods and services. So there is a question that why do we need a production management to be studied? So actually it's depend upon three points. Like if I talk about the production management in marketing, it's used to create demand. If I talk about the production management in operations, then it used to create the product. And if I talk about the accounting, then it's used to track the organizational performance, payoff, and etc. It tells us how the goods and services are being produced. It also tells you that how production managers do, and it let me tell you one more important thing, that the production management is one of the costly part of any of the organization. So actually operation management or production management is they don't have hardly any difference between them, but let me tell you a basic difference of having a two. Actually production management is considered with the system that produces a tangible goods, and if I talk about the operation management, then it is one of the system that includes the intangible to produce our intangible services like airlines, institutions, career planning, and so on, which is the effective part of the manufacturing of an enterprise. Secondly, if I talk about the evaluation of the history, that operation management are using nowadays, but the production management has made the operation management to exceed in the historical data. That's why operation management is now using nowadays and production management was using earlier. The name. If I talk about the scope of production management, then let me tell you that the scope of the production management or the operation management is indeed very vast, commencing from the location of the plant, from the designing of the building, from the warehousing, raw material storage, and making the useful product. If I just relate the above topic with another related topic such as quality control, production planning, production control, career planning, quality management, and work management, so on. Now the last part of this video is that what are the roles and responsibility of the production manager. Actually production manager is having a very important role and responsibility in this, just because not only for the profit maximization, but also the production manager needs to do something which is also related to the corporate social responsibility, because it's very important for any of the company to also look for the welfare of the society as well. So let's get started with the most important responsibilities of the production manager. The most important first planning of the production manager or the responsibility is about the product selection and design. It is one of the most important process, just because in any of the enterprise, if the production selection or design is wrong, it includes a maximum of the cost and also not is available, not is up to date up to the customers. So product selection is one of the most important times, just to make your company in the highlight session, you know that what are the demand of the consumers and how you should prepare the product according to them. Second is the plant location. Production manager looks the location of the plant, because the plant location is very important, just because if you locate your plant or set up your plant in any of the area where you don't get educated employees, labor, whether it's skilled, semi-skilled or unskilled, and you are not prior to the market, then it includes a maximum of your transportation cost to deliver your product from your enterprise to the market. So production manager used to check the plant location in such a way that it includes all the significant benefits which can capture the enterprise. Now, the third responsibility of the production manager is about the career planning. Career planning is all about ensure the determination or acquisition of the resources to ensure that the availability matches the demand. If there is a excess capacity planning, then it leads to a low productivity, low resources productivity. But if it is inadequate capacity, then it leads to the poor service. So production manager needs to look in this also. After that, plant layout. Plant layout is the most important responsibility of the production manager in the enterprise as well, just because he need to set up the plants and machinery in such a way so that the work can go smoothly without any interruption. Now, another responsibility will be production planning. Here the production manager needs to plan that the product which is required by the company, it should be made according to the company's requirement, according to the customer's requirement, and according to the minimum of the cost, and should be delivered at the right time at the right place. Next responsibility is about the method analysis. Actually, for creating or manufacturing a product, there are lots of alternatives for creating the product, but all are some of the economical to one another. So the production manager must choose the best alternative among them so that it can include minimum cost and give you the maximum profit. Now, next is a quality control. While making the product, and just keeping in mind that we have to manager needs to create only minimum cost, it doesn't mean that we will sacrifice with the quality, just because quality is something which is very important for any of the business to make its goodwill. So the company or the production manager needs to focus on the quality of the product as well, because if they are providing a goods at a minimum cost, it doesn't mean they low of the quality or they ignore the quality of the product. And the last point is about the production control. The production manager needs to control all the wastage things which are getting in the enterprise, whether the wastage of the raw material or anything. It should control the production, all the things which are included in the production, whether it's the raw material, whether it's the cost, whether any factors of production. So yeah, we have completed with the brief description of the production management. I hope you like my video, and if you do like my video, then don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the latest update. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because the like and the views of my videos get me motivated at how that it make me feels that yeah, I'm making a good video and I want to make it more. So I will bring you more videos like this. So stay home and stay healthy. Goodbye guys.